Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your time. I'm here with my today's video and the topic of discussion for today is the Urdu versus English of passive voice sentences for past tense. I'll discuss all the aspects because most of the time students get confused and then they make mistakes with this passive voice Urdu sentences. First of all, let me tell you about the sentence structure of active sentence, that is subject, verb and object. And in passive voice, first of all we take subject, then we take the proper helping verb according to the tense. Then third form of the verb, that is past participle, is used, and at the end we have object. Now moving to the very first aspect of past tense, that is past indefinite tense. The helping verb that is used in the passive voice sentences is was and were, and the Urdu identification is same as past indefinite, that is alif choti a and badi a in the Urdu sentences. The very first sentence is चिट्ठी डाक में डाल दी गई. The letter was posted. Now in this sentence the action is done, but the main subject, the performer, the doer of the action is not mentioned. So the letter is the subject, was is used as proper helping verb and posted is the third form of verb. घास काट ली गई, grass was cut. परिंदे पकड़ लिए गए, birds were caught. चोर गिरफ्तार कर लिए गए, the thieves were arrested. Now by someone, it's not necessary, subject is not mentioned there. So that's why we stop our sentence at the verb. सईद को जुर्माना किया गया, सईद was fined. Now next sentence is बर्तन नजमा से टूट गए, pots were broken by Najma. Now बर्तन is an object and it is written at the very start of the sentence, so that's why it's considered as passive voice sentence. उन्हें सजा दी गई, they were punished. सांप मार डाला गया, the snake was killed. घड़ी कहीं गुम हो गई, the watch was lost somewhere. मैच कज़ाफ़ी स्टेडियम में खेला गया, the match was played at the Qaddafi Stadium. नतीजे का ऐलान वक्त पर ना किया गया, the result was not announced on time. दुकानों और मकानों को ना सजाया गया, shops and houses were not decorated. मुल्ज़िम को ज़मानत पर रिहा ना किया गया, the accused was not released on bail. दरवाजे पर पेंट ना किया गया, the door was not painted. पूरी रकम वसूल ना की गई, full amount was not recovered. कोई दरख्त ना काटा गया, no tree was cut. क्या इस सड़क की मरम्मत कर दी गई, was this road repaired. ये मुश्किल काम कैसे किया गया, how was this difficult task done. लड़के को उसकी बहादुरी का इनाम कहाँ दिया गया, where was the boy awarded prize for his bravery. सर्टिफिकेट किसको दिया गया, who was given the certificate. ये तब्दीली कैसे लाई गई, how was this change brought about. Now just concentrate that in all these English sentences was and were are used as proper helping verb for this tense. Now moving on to the past continuous tense, the helping verbs that are used for past continuous tense are was being and were being in passive sentences, and Urdu identification is that at the end of the sentence we have raha tha, rahe the and rahi thi. Examples are दोस्त को कामयाबी पर मुबारकबाद दी जा रही थी, the friend was being congratulated on his success. Now दी जा रही थी means that it was given by someone. तमाम पौधे उखाड़े जा रहे थे, all the plants were being uprooted. बहादुर अफसर को तमगा दिया जा रहा था, the brave officer was being awarded a medal. नए अस्पताल की बुनियाद रखी जा रही थी, the foundation of the new hospital was being laid. शरारती बच्चों को सज़ा दी जा रही थी। नॉटी चिल्ड्रन वर बीइंग पनिश्ड। बच्चों को खिलौने नहीं दिए जा रहे थे। द चिल्ड्रन वर नॉट बीइंग गिवन टॉयज। पौधों को पानी नहीं दिया जा रहा था। द प्लांट्स वर नॉट बीइंग वाटर्ड। तोता पिंजरे से नहीं निकाला जा रहा था। द पैरट वॉज नॉट बीइंग टेकन आउट ऑफ द केज। किस परिंदे पर निशाना बांधा जा रहा था? विच बर्ड वॉज बीइंग एम्ड एट। वॉलीबॉल से हवा क्यों निकाली जा रही थी? वाई वॉज द वॉलीबॉल बीइंग डिफ्लेटेड। ज़मीन की पैमाइश कैसे की जा रही थी? हाउ वॉज द लैंड बीइंग मेजर्ड। Now it's time for past perfect tense. The helping verb for past perfect tense is had been. And Urdu identification is that at the end of the sentences we have चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी, दिया था, दिए थे, दी थी और लिया था, लिए थे, ली थी. Examples are शाम होने से पहले सामान ट्रक में लाद लिया गया था. Luggage had been loaded in the truck before evening. कल तक तमाम रजिस्टर इकट्ठे कर लिए गए थे. All the registers had been collected till yesterday. गाड़ी रवाना होने से पहले टिकट घर खोल दिया जा चुका था. The booking office had been opened before the train started. 5 बजे तक तस्वीर मुकम्मल हो चुकी थी. The picture had been completed till 5 o'clock. मेरे आने से पहले मुआहदे पर दस्तखत हो चुके थे. The agreement had been signed before I came. 1943 से पहले जंग लड़ी नहीं जा चुकी थी. 1943 से पहले जंग लड़ी नहीं जा चुकी थी. The battle had not been fought before 1943. पीर से पहले नुमाइश नहीं लगाई गई थी. The exhibition had not been held before Monday. भाइयों में अभी तक जायदाद तकसीम नहीं की गई थी. Property had not yet been divided among the brothers. क्या कुआं शाम से पहले खाली किया जा चुका था? Had the well been emptied before evening? क्या आपके स्टेशन पर पहुंचने से पहले टिकट जारी हो चुके थे? Had the tickets been issued before you reached the railway station? क्या तुम्हारे जाने से पहले करारदाद मंजूर हो चुकी थी? Had the resolution been passed before you left? इस लड़की को इम्तिहान में बैठने से क्यों रोक दिया गया था? Why had this girl not been allowed to take examination? Now in all these sentences, helping verb is had been. Just keep practicing. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.